Want a garden that's beautiful, healthy, and perfectly balanced? The secret lies in plant compatibility. And that's where a professional landscape designer makes all the difference. When plants with different water, sunlight, or root needs are placed together, it can lead to overcrowding, wasted water, and stunted growth. At MasterAZscapes, we design outdoor spaces where every element, from native plants to water features and irrigation systems, works in harmony. By pairing plants that naturally support each other, we create sustainable gardens that thrive year-round in Phoenix's desert climate. Our experts consider soil, sunlight, and water patterns to design a space that not only looks stunning, but also saves water and reduces maintenance. The result? A garden that's both beautiful and resilient. Transform your garden with expert design and plant compatibility from MasterAZscapes. Check the link to our full blog in the description. Contact us today to bring your outdoor vision to life.